Market research is a critical component of business strategy, and it directly informs a broad array of key decisions on everything from which products to launch and how advertising dollars should be allocated, to which market should be entered or exited, and how to gain or maintain an advantage against competitors. One of the most important tools available to market researchers is opinion polling. And Prism Intelligence is proud to announce our innovative and powerful new opinion poll service that combines with our database of nearly 1 million consumer panelists to capture and deliver invaluable feedback. There can be some confusion for those new to polling about the optimal way to utilize the resource. It is generally not a good idea to use polling for post-experience satisfaction measurement. For example, if you spent the night at Hotel X in the past 6 months, how would you rate your experience? CSAT information like this is better suited to surveys and comment cards. Ideally, opinion polling is designed to capture general information in a way that can be analyzed by demographic and used to make decisions. For example, asking what is most important to you when choosing a hotel, and you define the answer set such as customer service, online ratings, reviews, online reservations, booking, etc. An even more powerful approach is to deploy multiple, related questions to obtain a comprehensive view of a particular topic. For example, what is the most important factor to you when choosing a cell carrier? How satisfied are you with your current cell carrier? Are you considering changing carriers in the next 6 to 12 months? If you are considering changing carriers in the next 6 to 12 months, which are you most likely to choose? Then, when you run the reports on responses to those questions against panelist demographics, such as current cell carrier, age, gender, income bracket, state, etc., you and your clients can get a clear picture on who is planning on switching carriers soon, to whom they will be switching, and why. Such robust data allows businesses to identify trends, define market strategies, make informed budgetary and/or investment decisions, and much more. One key difference between old-school opinion polling and the new Prism system centers on demographics. There are 2 ways to deploy our opinion polls. The traditional way, where you predefine a subset of users and only allow them to answer the questions. For example, perhaps you only want to know the opinions of married, female voters with college-level education. You can set it up so that only our panelists who meet those criteria can see and respond. Or you can deploy polls in a new way, where everyone interested in answering the question is free to do so, and their demographics are captured along the way. So, when you are finished, you can certainly filter your responses to give you only what married, college-educated females think. But you can also filter that same list to see what 70 to 80-year-old male BMW drivers think about the same topic. Of the 2 approaches, this one is actually less expensive and, we believe, more powerful. Setting up an opinion poll is simple. Define the question, the type of answer you expect, the answer options, and set any required demographics, if desired. If you have a cap on the number of responses desired, define that as well. Once complete, Prism will review, approve, and release to the panelists. Through the Prism Opinion Polling Control Panel, you can view the responses as they come in and pull exports of the data at any time. Successful businesses today demand quality information. They need to predict the future and shape it. Our clients understand this, and so do we, which is why we are committed to delivering all the tools and resources necessary to ensure your business has access to the very best.